Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Battle.net app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Battle.net app. If it's not working, you have to follow this easy step. So at here you have to press and hold right here. Just click to that I button. It will open the app info section of the app. If it's not working, just go to the storage section. Then click on the clear data option, and then here you have to click on the delete. Okay, so when you will just delete and clear the data option, then you have to open the app again. If it's work for you, then fine. If it does not work for you, just check for an update. Go to the Google search bar and search for the Battle.net app. Download the update and it will work. So by this way you can fix it. And if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.